Mm-mm. Wait, we got the kitties waiting for kibble. See, look at that. I'm gonna give her some because he's been a shit. This is where someone shot her on her tail with either a pellet gun, leave her alone, with a pellet gun, or something on the sword. She just had kittens. That's Butler. Sylvester missed breakfast. Hey, why don't you go look at her? She got crumbs all around her mouth. Butler hadn't had any kibble. And, Butler haven't had any kibble, and she just, hey, look at him. Butler haven't had any kibble, and she just, had her kittens. And Sylvester missed breakfast, so he thinks, I think Sylvester is a boy, that he's not gonna get anything to eat, but I'm gonna give him something to eat. He's just gonna have to wait. So I guess he pissed at the kittens still and ate. Yeah, but he missed breakfast, so. And Eclipse behind me eating. The kittens waiting for Eclipse to finish eating so they could suckle and or feed or whatever kittens do. Everybody got the correct term. As you can see, Sylvester is pissed, and he's gonna wait simply because he hit at Butler. So Sylvester is, I think, is a boy, and Butler is a girl. So there you go. Look at him, he is so annoyed. Sylvester got that look. We're gonna wait though. Okay, I'm going to feed him right now. Okay, so Sylvester got his pile, and Meow Meow wanna eat it. So I'm trying to stop him. Eclipse is in my bag. Yeah, they are tripping this morning. I fed them real good. What made make it so bad, I fed them good yesterday. And then I've been feeling like these chicken livers. And since then, they've been acting crazy every time it's dinner time. But right now, it's a killer day. Now, give me a man. Finish that. Eclipse. But yes, everyone, the reason why I'm doing all this huffing and puffing because I'm doing a lot of bending. Hey, sweetie, you wanna come in and play with you? Oh yeah, you do. Well, no, she. But Butler had kittens. I don't know where they're at. The orange kitten had 2 kittens. They're across the street. Very cute. Haven't filmed them. Probably won't get a chance to. Yeah, this morning was a little out of order because they was coming up, one by one. A lot of the cats and kittens is not staying in the yard. At least Butler is not staying in this yard, nor is Sylvester. They're just kind of scattered around doing their own thing, doing their cat thing. They could be next door. So, right at summer, this is Florida, so it's a lot of flies and things. So I may have to start feeding them outside of the yard. get some of the food. Look at Kitty, found a little nugget sniffing. Let's see if he'll find her with no biscuit. Well, he look like he about to find it. It's right behind his foot. He's sniffing. Keep passing it. So close. Smell it, too. Black one sniffing. Right in front. They're probably smelling prunes. I don't know which way to go. Yeah, they must be. Yep. Never mind that one. This gray kid look like a boy. As you can see, Sylvester seemed to enjoy the sun. Now he's black and brown. Eclipse still sporting her black coat.